This is something that I know you will have an opinion on. Condiment company Heinz stirring up an internet debate. They tweeted, ketchup should be stored in the refrigerator after you open it. Lots of people commenting saying, nope, they totally disagree, saying ketchup belongs in the cupboard. Heinz even posting a Twitter poll to see how people feel about this issue, and it is actually pretty split. I mean, more people do say fridge, but there are a good number of people who are saying, sticking to their guns, saying, no, it should be in the cupboard. So what do you think, Brad? Fridge, cupboard, where do you store it?
I like mine warm, honestly. I don't like cold ketchup, so I like to keep it out. But I do think it's weird how most people at home put it in their fridge. But if you go to any restaurant, it is never refrigerated.
Very
it's
true.
Just sitting on the table. Or even like fast food, they got the giant tubs of it sitting over there. So it is weird how certain condiments at restaurants we don't refrigerate, but we do at home. And it might just because how quickly you use it.
That's true. Take that, Heinz.
But I do like it warm. I just don't, when you need hot food, you want to put something cold on top of it, you know?
Yeah, that makes sense, I guess. But listen, I keep it in the fridge. I'm sticking with Heinz. It's just the way it is.
I like mustard more, though, to be honest with you.
I like mixed together ketchup and mustard.
Ooh, your stadium mustard, that is like my go-to. Spicy stuff.